Assalamualaikum students. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is kinematics. In the first chapter of physics, you have studied about mechanics. It is the branch of physics in which we study about motion, its causes and its effect. Mechanics is further divided into two types. One is kinematics and the second one is dynamics. In this chapter, we will study about kinematics. In kinematics, we will study about the types of motion and the graphical analysis of motion. So students, what is kinematics? Kinematics is the branch of physics that describes the motion of bodies and the system of bodies without considering the forces that cause the motion. First, we will learn about motion and rest. A body is said to be in motion when it changes its position with respect to its surrounding, and a body is said to be at rest when it does not change its position with respect to its surrounding. Both of these quantities are relative to each other. For example, a passenger moving in a bus is at rest with respect to the other passengers in the bus, but the passenger is in motion with respect to the viewer outside the bus. So, both of these quantities are relative to each other. Now, we will study about the types of motion. Three types of motion are translatory, rotatory, and vibratory. Translatory motion is the motion by which a body shifts from one point in the space to another. Means that body as a whole displaces from one point to another in the space. Translatory motion is divided into three more types, that is linear, circular, and random. Linear motion is a one-dimensional motion along a straight line. As the example is shown, that the cars are moving on a straight road. Circular motion is the movement of an object along the circumference of the circle. Example is Ferris wheel, as the people sitting on the Ferris wheel are moving along the circumference of the circle. In translatory motion, the body whole displaces from one point to another. In same like circular motion, the body whole displaces along the circumference. Random motion. Irregular motion of a body in which the direction is not fixed is called the random motion. For example, the players in the hockey match are in the random motion. Rotatory motion. The spinning motion of a body about its axis is called rotatory motion. Example is merry-go-round. In merry-go-round, body spins on its axis. The major difference between the circular motion and rotatory motion is, in circular motion, the body moves along the circumference on a circular path or rotatory path, while in the rotatory motion, the body spins on its axis. Vibratory motion. Vibratory motion is the back and forth motion of an object. Example is park swing. Okay students, in the next lecture we will study about the graphical analysis of motion. I hope you understand this lecture about the types of motion. Thank you very much.